What's up guys? Our pile of parts is all but gone. We only have a few more products to get installed on the KRX. In this episode, we'll be going over storage and recovery for the KRX. We'll be taking a look at our 4,500 pound Black Op Series winch, our bed enclosure, as well as our cargo box. Let's jump right in.
This winch utilizes a synthetic rope and also comes with a wireless remote. With a 4,500 pound rated line pull, this winch will surely help if you find yourself in an unforeseen predicament. The KRX bed enclosure is constructed of 3/4 inch steel tubing. The enclosure is equipped with anchor points to make securing your cargo easy. The perfect solution for keeping the contents in your bed secure. SuperATV's 30-liter insulated cooler cargo box is the perfect solution if you need more storage or you need a cooler in the back. The rubber seal and heavy-duty latches keep out water, mud, and debris. This box has 2 cup holders in the lid and also has a built-in drain plug that makes it easy to clean and drain.
So that's a wrap on this episode. The KRX is getting super close now. We're waiting on the plastic to get back from paint, get some graphics installed, and this bad boy is headed to Texas to find some mud.